Randy Bateman, one stock you like is Cabela's. Now, are people going to be buying a lot of bows and arrows for Christmas this year?
Well, I hope so, but the reason we really like Cabela's is the fact that we're playing off the farm income situation. Ag business, we think, is one of those things that has a lot of legs associated with it. It's going to be a theme that we can play for a long period of time. And so you've already seen the Caterpillars and the tractor sales and those types of things have some traction there. But we think that you go a little bit further and you look at farm income, and the farmers are going to be spending money. They've got a little bit more money to spend, and if that's going to be the case, we've got to look at where their discretionary spending is going to be. So we're looking at all the rural type of areas being attractive, and certainly Cabela's might be one of those names that the farm income will come to roost at.
You're also a fan of Carbo Ceramics. Now, they're involved in the drilling industry. Mm-hmm. So with all the talk, positive and negative, about fracking, why do you want to be in this stock?
You know, when you look at what they do, it's to develop more efficiencies, and that's really what makes this whole natural gas and oil play is taking place, is because of horizontal drilling and the like. Well, Carbo Ceramics makes something called proppants, and these are little ceramic beads, essentially, that are pumped down into the well, and they hold those fissures open. Otherwise, as you know, nature abhors a vacuum, and those fissures will collapse if there's a vacuum there. If there's something that's going to hold them open so that the drainage can continue, it's a little bit more of an efficiency effort. So you're going to see a lot of use of proppants as we continue developing our wells in this country, but also in China. Big opportunity for export of proppants today.
And you're also bullish about a stock called Trimble Navigation. Why do you like this one?
You know, it's an infrastructure play. They make a lot of things that will add to efficiencies in this infrastructure build that we think is going to take place in the next 4 or so years under the Obama administration. Kind of a wedding of technology, because they use GPSs and lasers together with some of the more basic aspects of the building industry. So kind of an interesting play all the way around.
Those are 3 stocks that you like. Is there a stock or a sector you would sell right now?
You know, at this stage, the market is so looking beyond the fiscal cliff, I think, that everything's been priced in, so you can't go too terribly far wrong, but we are a little concerned about some of the financial sectors and the passage of the Dodd-Frank. There's a lot of things that will be unintended consequences as a result of that, so we've got to adjust our thinking with regard to that and try to digest how those provisions of the Act will actually impact the financial sector.